Today on The Journey, we'll be talking about direct response marketing and how it attracts more customers.
So I've heard of direct marketing, but how is direct response marketing different than that?
Good question. So direct response marketing is different because direct marketing, you're just talking directly to the client, like an email. But direct response marketing, you're doing something to elicit a specific response from your potential client.
So what are some examples of this?
Say, for instance, you have a video that you put on Instagram and you're telling people about what you're offering, a service, a product, and you tell them, I want you to call now.
Yeah.
They have to take a specific response in order to take part of it.
Gotcha.
So when handled the correct way, it can be very beneficial and bring about some interesting results. For one, it takes out all the intermediaries. It's just between you and your customer. You don't have to have the middleman. Second, it's pretty cost effective. You don't have to have mass market saturation with traditional marketing methods. And then the third, it's also measurable and trackable.
Okay.
You can see your ROI. And then also it adheres to some good old school marketing methods, and it doesn't go with some of these trends that are flighty.
Gotcha. So would an example be I do an Instagram post specifically for, let's say, a new backpack that I just came out with, and then I have a link and they go and they buy that?
Exactly. So in crafting your direct response marketing, there's a couple elements that you want to have. For instance, the proposal. Rather than thinking, hey, buy my product, you actually want to go into some details, especially like trial period, what the person is going to sign up for, answering a lot of the questions that a person may have.
Gotcha. So part of this proposal is you want to create some urgency. You want to give them all the information and kind of lead them down the funnel. Why is this important? What are the details? And at the very end, maybe this is a trial period. I see this a lot with webinars or different online courses. You know, it's a limited time offer. Within the next 3 days, this is introductory price and the price goes up, right? So you're always kind of leading them down that funnel and giving that sense of, wow, this is important. This is what I need. And I can't wait. I need to buy this now.
You want that in that response. You want it to make that person feel like they can't miss out.
So let's say that I'm an online business coach. I've just opened up my online one-on-one coaching, and I'm gonna let my subscribers know about this. So one way that I could do this is through a webinar, and I'll let everyone know that, hey, one time only, I'm doing this webinar. I'm gonna give you 5 tips on how to crush it in social media. And this is the only day that I'm gonna do it. So I'm creating that urgency so people will come, they'll sign up. Hey, I'm not telling these tips anywhere else. This is the only place you're gonna find them. I'm never gonna do a blog post about them. I'm never, I'm just really creating this like, you gotta be there moment.
And for them to register, that will be the response that you want.
Then in the webinar at the end, I'm gonna let them know, hey, I've opened up my online coaching. I only have 10 spots. And you guys here watching this webinar are the first people. You're gonna get the first chance. So if you want to, here's my special introductory price. And after that, once I hit those 10 spots, done. So if my goal was to get 10 new clients, this would be a great way to create that funnel, create that sense of urgency, and hopefully be an effective way to get those new clients.
So today we talked about direct response marketing and how it can bring you more customers. We would love to hear from you in the comments below. What other topics would you like us to talk about?
And of course, be sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you're always notified of our next new video. And until next time, this is The Journey.